Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D animated design in a website really easily using AI, and it's completely for free. And I'm going to show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So we are going to create a 3D animated in our website, right? So for it, we are going to first of all choose a video, and we are going to choose a video from pixabay.com. So just go to Pixabay, and Pixabay will provide you a lot of videos and which is completely for free. So here I'm going to search for video, and here you can see melted chocolate. I already searched it over here, so I'm just going to click on this, and there you can see it is showing us a lot of video over here. You can see, so there's a lot of video that you can choose, but I choose this one. I think this video will look a lot cooler, so I'm going to click on this. And after that, here you can see download section. So just click on download and you can download it from here. So I'm just going to choose the highest one, then click on download. So it will download this video, and there you can see the download started over here, and the file size is only 14 MB and it is complete. So once you choose your video, then you need to go to a website called EZGIF video to image, then press enter. So here you can see video to JPG. So choose this on video to JPG. So I'm going to click here. Then we are going to upload the file or the video file that we just downloaded. So I'm just going to drag it and leave it over here. And there you can see it is uploading the video to this website. So what we are doing is that we're going to convert our video to a lot of JPG file. Then we're going to use those JPG file in our website. So uploading will take some time, and there you can see uploading is complete. So when the uploading is complete, you just need to go down, and here you will see this frame rate option. So I'll prefer you choose frame rate 20 or higher, but I'm going to choose frame rate 15. I think 15 is more than enough. Then I'm going to click here convert to JPG. So what it will do is that it will start converting this video file to the JPG file, and it will generate a lot of JPG file. Here you can see, and there you go, the quality is quite good and solid. Let me just directly go down, and the generation is complete. So here you can see at the end you will see this option download frames as GIF. So I'm going to click here, and it will download a GIF file over here. There you can see, and it is around 10 MB, and there you can see it is complete. So when the zip file is downloaded, what we are going to do is that we're going to go to our folder. I'll go to my local disk G, and over here I'm going to create a folder over here. Let's say the folder name will be juicy chocolate. So we are going to build a juicy chocolate website. So right now what we are going to do is that, let me just go to the download location, and there you can see this is the zip file that we just downloaded. So I'm just going to cut this from here, and I'm going to paste it over here in this juicy chocolate folder. Control V, and we're going to extract this. So I'm going to click here extract all, and we're going to extract it in a folder called images. So let's say here images. So right over here images, then click on extract. So it will extract this zip file, and all the images will be in this images folder. There you can see. So right now we can just delete this zip file. After that, what we are going to do is that we're going to use anti-gravity to create our website. So here you can see anti-gravity. So anti-gravity is free. So just go to Google and search for anti-gravity, and here you can see antigravity.google. Click on this, and from here you can easily download and install anti-gravity, and it has actually a free plan as well, and the free plan is quite generous. The free plan provide enough credit that you'll be able to build a same kind of website, like 3 to 4 website like this really easily, that we are going to build. So once you install anti-gravity, then open your anti-gravity. And after opening your anti-gravity, click on File, then click on Open Folder. Then we'll go to our local disk G and we are going to choose our folder, project folder, which is this one, Juicy Chocolate. Then click here, select folder. And there you can see our project is opened over here and we have the image folder here, where you can see. So right now on the right side, you will see the chat option here. There is a chat option. So here we're going to give a prompt. So the prompt we're going to give is this one. I want to build a website to promote a chocolate called Juicy Choco. Also, I would like to add a video style animation in the website hero section using images where we scroll down. And I have added those images in the images folder. There you can see. So use any language or framework you think would be best for the animation. So we have given this prompt and this prompt will generate the website for us using the images from this images folder. So right now I'm going to click here and anti-gravity will start its or and one more thing that is here you can see anti-gravity setting. Just click on this and make sure to add those options. Here you can see auto execution, allow always, GB policy allow always. There you can see auto gig node access on, tap speed first. So make sure it is same as me. And here you can see Gemini 3 Pro High. It is using this for free right now. So right now, first of all, anti-gravity is generating the plan for the project. So once the planning is complete, it will start writing the code for us. There you can see this is the plan, task, project setup, implementation, styling, verification. So it is actually initializing Vibe plus React project because we didn't mention which framework or language to use. So it will use this language Byte plus React. So there you can see it is now asking for a permission. So we're going to click here accept and the thinking is complete. And here you can see the implementation plan. There you can see all the plan that anti-gravity added. So when the planning and every command is complete, it will start writing our code. And there you can see it added a lot of files and folder over here. So here you can see I have given a always allow permission, always proceed permission. So if you do not give the permission, it will ask for you to give the permission every single time. So right now it will take some time to create the project. Right now I will just fast forward the video. So here you can see everything is complete. I'm going to click here accept all. After that, it is telling us to go to this link. So let me just copy this and I'll go to my browser, then paste it here, then press enter. So it says the site can't be reached. Okay, let's do one thing. That is, this is a React project, right? So I'll go to the project directory. I'll open a command prompt. I write over here cmd, then press enter. Let me just over here npm install. Then we are going to server here npm run dev. Press enter. So this is another way to run the project. So let me just try it. And there you can see where I want to see the website right now. But there is nothing in this website. So let's go to our anti-gravity and let's tell over here. When we go to the website, it shows us blank page. Press enter. So I will let anti-gravity to fix the issue for us. So there you can see our website is complete, but it added a perfect actually animation over here. You can see, but there is nothing once you go down. So here we're going to tell that to the anti-gravity. So we're going to tell the anti-gravity that keep the animation section the way it is, and below it make a website style design like about us, like about let's say juicy chocolate, then contact form for people, say about us, and footer sections. footer section. So let's press enter. There you can see it is generating. And let me just refresh in the browser. Let's go down. And there you can see it added a complete website for us. So we should have a menu bar over here at the top. So let's say in the anti-gravity that add a menu bar for the website. I think menu bar background color black will be great. I don't know what color it will add. I should have mentioned it earlier, but that's fine. Let's see what it does. So there you can see it is complete. Right now, let's go to our browser. Let me refresh. And there you can see we have the menu bar over here. Oh, it actually amazing. Let me just scroll it down a little bit. There you go. It looks great. Then there's the design. Everything looks chocolatey. And let's see if we click on it, if it works or not. Let me click on contact. Wow, that's actually really great. So we are able to create our animated website really easily, and I showed you every step from the very beginning. So if you follow me, you'll be able to build the same thing, and the process I showed you is completely free. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question or if you want me to make any kind of video using AI, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorial.